at the Negombo Fish Market. It starts super early, like 5 in the morning probably. All the fishermen come in, like right behind me is the beach, and that they pull up in their boats and they bring their fish here to sell. It's big and it's hot and it's noisy, and there's every kind of fish, well, all sorts of fish that I don't recognize. Yeah, a lot of people like touting their wares. I think I'm gonna buy a fish. I'm gonna shop around and see what there is, and then go cook it. Cook it up Sri Lankan style.
But this coral fish, 751.
Okay, and its name?
Name coral fish.
Coral fish.
Yeah,
coral
coral
fish.
fish, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I will take one. So $7.50 for the fish and $100 for the cutting. Pretty good deal. Now I gotta beg for a full of coral fish, just begging to be put into a curry or something. Oh, Stuti, thank you so much. Yeah, we'll see. I'll leave it to the expertise of a local chef to teach me how.
I'm Chef Lloyd. Today I'm going to make a typical Sri Lankan fish curry. I think in Canada and in other countries, they're supposed to get the fillet only because to remove the bones out. But here in Sri Lanka, when you are making the fish curry, you cut with bones.
To add flavor?
Yeah, to get the flavor inside the fish curry. The fish is very good because when you are cooking, if the fish is not good, it will break for pieces. It won't stay in like now when you take a piece of fish like this, the fish piece is there still.
I'm so pleased.
Yeah.
I'm so pleased with myself. So I'm in Colombo. It's right on the ocean on the west coast in Sri Lanka, and so a perk of that is tons of fresh seafood. And then I also had the huge privilege of meeting Chef Darshan, who owns Ministry of Crab, which is one of the most popular restaurants in Colombo. We feasted on crab and black pepper sauce, dipped. They have like classic sort of Colombo street bread that they cut up into cubes and you dip in the sauce. And then he also brought out the biggest prawns I've ever seen in my life. They looked like lobsters. They were huge, and like one prawn I felt like could fill you up. And we had many prawns come to the table.
So Sri Lanka has a lot of very high import taxes. So you cannot easily import ingredients from another country. So I started walking the beaches, speaking to farmers, getting things grown. Although we can't import stuff easily, we have so much great stuff out here, no one's touching them. My cooking philosophies are mainly based on finding great ingredients close to you. And this restaurant is a reflection of that philosophy because we have zero imports on ingredients here, except for olive oil and wine and stuff like that. We are totally a Sri Lankan ingredient restaurant.
Thank you.